go, guys. About to go check this fox out. See what it's looking like. Kind of scary. Kind of scared of it. These foxes do bite. But I think I took a nice headshot on him. And he's done for good because he dropped and he didn't move at all. He just dropped. But yeah, he's all manged up. Oh yeah, he's done. Yeah, he's done. Yeah, this fox is all fucked up. This thing's all messed up. Got a big ass hole in his back. Look at that shit. Look like somebody fucked it up. Something fucked it up. I don't want to touch it. Oh, there it is. That's one of the foxes that was out here. It was eating up everything. There he is. I don't want to touch it with my stuff. Let me get a stick. This thing's all manged up. Yeah, there he is. Oh yeah, I got me a nice headshot on him. Brain shot. Look at that. One hollow point. That's all it took. One hollow point, look. Right there. Right in the head. Dropped him like a sack of potatoes. Well, took him out of his misery because he's really mixed up. He's sick. Took him right out of his misery. And he was coming straight at me too. He's pretty fucking heavy though. Finally got this sucker. This is one of the suckers that I was trying to get for a long, long time. For like 2 years, I've been trying to get this fox because it was all manged up. I was trying to take him out because it's gonna make all the other animals sick around here. But there he is. One headshot right in the middle of the head. Look. Right there. One headshot. Alright, chicken man up. If you, well, not yet. If you ever see animals that are sick like this in the woods, please do them the favor and take them out of their misery because they're suffering. And they just have to go day by day suffering like this. And it's not good for them. And it's not good for the environment either. This fox needed to be taken out because it was just all messed up. Look at the wound on his back leg. It's like he had a broken leg or something. You know what I mean? This fox was definitely messed up. Got mange, got all kind of stuff on him. But there it is. One headshot. That's all it took. In the brain. Rest in peace, little buddy. Hope to see your cousins and brothers around here doing good and healthy. But for you, it's goodbye for now. Chicken man out.